Hello and welcome back, guys. So today I am going to make a playlist on Python programming as I received a request from you guys that you want to learn Python from basic to intermediate level. And if you are very good at Python and if you have some experience, then just skip these videos. It's not for you because I am starting from basic data types, variables to the intermediate level. Okay, so let's get started with comparison between C and Python programming. So we talk about the variable. So in C, if you want to declare an integer variable, you have to type integer x equal to 9, or if you want string, then str y equal to xyz. But in Python, it's not like that. If you want to declare integer x equal to 10, you simply write like that. And you can also check the type of it by printing type of x. I'm just gonna save this code and run it. So as you can see, the class of integer is printed over here. So it's printing the type of x, and if I change the value by a string like xyz and save it, and if I run the code again, so you can see the class of string is assigned to the x. So you don't have to worry about the data types in Python. So that's all about how you can declare the variable. Now, if we talk about scoping, so there is a global and a local variables in Python programming. As you can see, x is assigned with x, y, z in a global scope. Now we declare one function, func, and I am going to define x equal to 10 and print x over here. Also print x over here, and I'm gonna run this code again. So you can see x is printed over here, which is xyz global variable. Now I'm gonna call function over here, and let's check now what changes. So you can see that x equal to 10 is printed over here. Also, you can print a global x over here. Just simply don't declare it again. Just add a global keyword in front of x. Just save the code and run it again. So you can see xyz is printed two times because of here and here. So that's how you can declare a global and local variable, and you can access it. If you are not aware about declaring a function and how it works, we can talk about it in further videos. So stay tuned for that. Now let's move forward to the data types. So in Python, for numeric, there is an integer, float, and complex data types. In C language, you are not able to find a complex, but in Python, yes, it is included. For other, there is a list, tuples, and dictionary data types in Python for array kind of work. We'll talk about all the data types in future with details and all about its function. So the next important part is comment. So if in Python, if you want to add a single line comment, you can add just a hash keyword and write comment whatever you want to write. But for multi-line comment, you can use a doc string by using triple single inverted comma or a double, like hello, hi, and close it by using triple inverted comma. So you can see this is treated as a comment or a doc string in Python. And if you are using VS Code and you have a multiple line like this, any multiple line, and you wanna add a comment to it, so what you can do is just select all the line and press Control and black slash, so it will automatically comment down for you. And you wanna uncomment it again, so press that key again, Control and slash, so it will uncomment for you. So that's it for how we can use commands, basic introduction, data types, and variables. In next video, we can talk about string, its function, and different kind of attributes we can apply to the strings. Thank you, and stay tuned for more Python videos.